Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to go through the concept of Kerberos roasting. So what is Kerberos? Kerberos is basically the authentication protocol that is used between our workstation and the Active Directory. All it does is to authenticate us to make sure that we are who we say we are. And it is the primary authentication protocol that is used in an Active Directory environment. Anyway, so you might be wondering, what is Kerberos roasting? And why do you hear so much about it? So basically in an enterprise, we have something called for service principal name. And the service principal name is used to identify services that are in our enterprise network. And what the user can do, or what the threat actor can do, is that they can try to access that service by asking the key distribution center to basically give them a ticket. And once the ticket is returned to them, they can use hashcat to crack that ticket and potentially obtain the password. And all you need to do to set up a service principal account is basically create a normal account and then go into the attribute editor and then basically just assign a service principal name. And once that is completed, we can now start Kerberos roasting that account. All you need to do to complete a Kerberos roasting attack is basically use in-packet get user spns adsec local, or like the domain name, and then in my case it is John Doe DCIP 192.168.140.150, and now I will enter the password, and boom, the MySQL account is runnable for Kerberos roasting. And in order for us to obtain the hash, all we need to do is basically use the request parameter. So once that is completed, let's just enter the password again. And boom, we successfully managed to obtain a hash which we can crack offline. So yeah, let's just copy the password hash and then let's try to crack it. So yeah, let's use hashcat m13100a0 and then let's just basically paste it in. Then use our rocku list. Let's see, word list rocku txt. And then let's see if we can crack the password. And we successfully managed to crack the password. The password is password123 exclamation mark. So yeah, this is pretty much how you do a Kerberos roasting attack. And it's not really that complicated. I highly recommend setting up your own environment and then just playing around with it. You will learn a lot and it's worth the investment. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you later. Cheers.